No, not yet. We have recursion, concurrency, internet, and reading. So all the questions are going to be based off of those categories, and there's 3 questions per category. And you have, if you answer a question right, you get $200. If you answer a question incorrect, you lose $100. And your goal is to answer all 3 questions correctly in the category, so you can advance to the other categories.
Spinning the wheel again.
And so now we're going to actually show you how the game works since we explained the instructions. So we're going to press spacebar to spin the wheel. I mean, wait, we're going to press the green flag first.
5 second cheer.
Okay, so here's Jill, and he's just explaining the rules that we just explained. Okay. And so now we have to press space to spin the wheel. So we're going to press space. And it's going to ask you a question, and it's in multiple choice. So it's right now it's going to ask what is the simplest case in recursion. So we're going to say it's the base case. So we're going to put C. And as you can see from our take-home money, we got $200 for answering the question correctly. And it's going to pop up with another question because there are 3 questions in each category. And now we're going to say the answer is D. And so we got it correct. And you can see how our take-home money is now 400. And so it's going to ask the last question in the category. And so
So if you get it wrong,
and so we're going to press A
to get it wrong.
to get it wrong. And since that's incorrect, you can see that our take-home money decreased by 100. So now it's 300. And since now there's no more questions in that category, we spin again.
Yeah, and you can.
And the
say
questions,
over and over again.
yeah, the questions will repeat or
Random choice. But the questions repeat randomly because it's a game where you pretty much like learn until you make it to 1,000.
yeah. So it might repeat if you get it's going to repeat if you get it in the same category again, but that's okay because that's just part of the game. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to win because to lose, you just have to get negative 500 in your take-home money. So you would just keep answering questions wrong until it's negative 500. But we're going to show you how to win. So we're going to keep answering these questions correctly.
So
So it's C.
yeah, 5 second.
Okay, so it's correct, and now it's 500. Okay, so now it's 700. And now it's 900. And so now you spin again because there are no questions left in that category.
The circle spins randomly, but it looks like we're getting yellow over and over again.
Yeah, but
So,
the circle definitely spins randomly.
yeah, we're getting it easy, but hopefully you get it harder.
Yep.
And notice how it's already over 1,000, but it only counts towards you only really win until you answer all 3 in a row. It only applies if you answer all 3 in a row. So watch as I answer all 3 in a row over again. And now we have a little Channel 7 mix where we add a double jeopardy in the question once you get to 1,000, after answering 3 in a row, of course, in a category, which will be all or nothing. Either you get it right or you get it wrong. And as you see, there's no way to get it wrong. And that's how you win our game.
Yay. Okay, so now
We'll be explaining the code of the game. So So, starting off in the beginning, Sprite 4, which is the Gerald host sprite, we start off by playing the 5 second cheer, and then the formal introductions. Good morning tonight. I mean, good evening. Tonight we have how many categories? The categories themselves, separated by Unicode. Press space to start. Set take home money to 0, and then